Eurofoods is the leading and the largest distributor of foods to the Asian catering trade, as well as the Asian retail UK multiples. The main motivation for this project for us was primarily cost savings. The cost of energy has gone through the roof. It increased threefolds.
So SmartEase helped Eurofoods get this project off the ground by working with our channel partner Solarsense. Initially the project is here at Cwmbran and then rolling out to multiple other sites as part of their portfolio.
We went to multiple providers. I even have an office in China, and I tried to source it myself to save costs. And then we realized that's not our expertise. We need to leave it to the experts who do a fantastic job.
We needed to meet Solarsense's milestone requirements, deposits, delivery, and then completion for each of the sites. And we also had to coordinate with Eurofoods around getting everything documented. Eurofoods as a group has committed to being net zero, and the solar system here is really a key part of that journey. And what we were able to do was make it cash flow positive from day one. It meant that reducing their exposure to the rapidly rising power bills in the UK could actually pay for the systems without Eurofoods having to actually dip into their pockets at all.
On this site alone, we save over 40% of our energy usage. With that saving, we can make payments for the installations. It's a no-brainer.
We have a 1.04 megawatt solar system that comprises over 2,000 DMEG solar panels and 8 Solis inverters.
I'm very proud of this project. We've done it with the help of Solarsense and SmartEase, as well as saving money, is helping us with our net zero goals.